Hey, Matt Capell here. Just wanted to show you beautiful Cascade. Shout out to Cascade if you haven't been here yet. But anyway, being a flooring guy, I wanted to show you this here. So with carpet, walkways, stairs, and hallways, the wear warranties are void. And it's not too unlike this right here. You see here in this path, everybody's kind of trampled down this area here. And you see how the grass is just not doing so good. This is doing really well. This not so well. And the interesting thing about it is see, like, if we made another path, this grass here would recover, you know, with water and sunshine and things like that. So it's important when you have furniture, especially like right in front of couches and things like that. It's important to periodically move your furniture around and make different configurations and different walkways and paths. Because if not, your carpet will look like this. And this type of thing, it makes it void. So anyway, I don't know. This is just an analogy because I see this here. And of course, I'm thinking about flooring. So anyway, hope you're having a wonderful day. And just remember to make different path and walkways, and like when you make a different pathway here with water and sunshine, the grass will come back. If you change up your path, vacuum more often, and get those areas cleaned, your carpet will fluff back up as well. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. And hi, Cascade.